Hello, I am not the senior partner of Croft Solicitors, and I'm not Rupert Croft. And so I would like you to understand how this firm approaches group actions that we are going to do on behalf of clients. In some cases, and it has been seen, that you are told that you have to pay nothing to join a case, that all the costs will be borne by a litigation funder who will only be paid if you win the case and will only be paid out of the proceeds of the winnings. There is no mention, or not proper mention, of the risk that you run if you lose the case, and there are no details about how the actual funding arrangements will work. We have prepared a detailed document that sets this all out for you. We would like you to download, print, read, and understand this document. If necessary, you should get independent legal advice so that you understand it fully. We don't want you to get any surprises, particularly not any nasty surprises, whichever way this case goes. In essence, the case will be run on the basis that you won't pay anything to join the case. We will do the case on the basis of a damages-based agreement. We will attempt to settle the case before we have to issue proceedings, but in the event that we have to issue proceedings, then we will receive a higher percentage, and litigation funders and adverse costs insurers will become involved, so that the additional costs that will have to be incurred are covered, and the cost risks involved in losing the case are covered. In the document, we set out precisely what the damages-based agreement is based on. In essence, if we have to issue proceedings, then 50% of your damages will be paid to our firm, the barristers, the litigation funders, and the insurers. In the event that we settle the case before we have to issue proceedings, then 10% of the award that you received will be forfeited by you. And importantly, if you lose the case, then you will not be required to pay us, and your insurance policy will be in place. This is just a brief explanation. As I've said, please go through the documentation carefully. If necessary, get independent legal advice, and make sure that you know exactly what you're signing up for before you sign up. Don't go joining when everything is up in the air. You won't do that with us. You will know exactly what you're letting yourself in for, and you will agree to that before you sign up. We hope that you will join our claim, and we will do our very, very best to get a good outcome for you.